Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and getting straight to the apps list. This avoids wasting time. Tap apps or notifications to view recent senders. Once visible, locate the app that posted the ad. Sometimes it's an innocuous name. You need to inspect app permissions and notification controls next, because turning off notifications at the source prevents future ads. If the app is unknown, make sure to check install date and recent updates before proceeding. That helps you decide whether to block or uninstall. Once done selecting the app, tap notifications to see channels or categories. These are how Android separates alerts. Turn off the specific channel labeled promotions, suggestions, or ads so important alerts remain. If the app lacks channels, toggle all notifications off or use app info to force stop. Make sure to check app permissions like draw over other apps and remove notification access from apps that abuse it. This reduces ad interruptions while preserving essential functionality when possible. To finish, reboot your phone so Android applies the changes reliably. Once rebooted, confirm ad notifications no longer appear. If they persist, clear the app cache and recheck notification channels. You can also enable Play Protect and install an ad-free browser or launcher to block in-browser and home screen ads. If nothing works, uninstall the offending app or revoke notification access and draw over other apps. One troubleshooting tip: if ads return, check recently installed apps and revoke their permissions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.